Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. That is right, 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now, this beautiful car was owned by the same man for 25 years or better. It has a rotisserie restoration that was completed in 2018. Beautiful red paint on this car. Beautiful white interior, bucket seats. This is a 289 4-speed car. Beautiful, beautiful car. The paint, body, undercarriage of this car is immaculate. Absolutely gorgeous. Your door gaps are nice. Panel alignment is great on this car. Beautiful set of American Racing torque thrust chrome wheels with a set of Goodyear Eagle GT2 tires. Now, I know some people like the Magnum 500, some people like the style steel wheels better. I like these torque thrust wheels in this car, and if somebody does not like them, well, you can gladly put a set of style steel wheels on it anytime you would like. Beautiful car. Check out the door jambs. Check out the door panels. Sill plates, jams, just a gorgeous car. All new weather stripping and door seals on this car. Does have a fold down back seat. Does have the fold down back seat option. Of course, the factory side vents. Dash pad's in great shape. Nice floor mats and carpeting. Carpet's got a little bit of fade to it. Black carpet, you know, I mean, you could probably dye it if you wanted to. It is a rally pack car, rally pack tack and clock. They both work. Tripod aftermarket gauges down below the steering column there. Sill plates are in good shape. It has original 1965 Ford Mustang owner's manual. Car looks gorgeous inside the trunk as well. I will open that up here for you as soon as I can get the key. There you go. Spare tires in there. You got a jack, a lug wrench, some other universal car cover, towel. Getting all new seals. There we go. You can check out the paint on this car, just absolutely gorgeous. I looked at all down on the bottom of the fenders, the doors, the rocker panels. No bubbles or blisters on this beautiful car. Thing runs absolutely tremendous. E-brake works. Wipers work, horn works. Left turn, right turn.
Summary, okay, in short form. It was really...
Even the AM radio works. Door jams just like the other side. Beautiful. Door panels, same way. Just a tremendous car. All the stainless, all the chrome, all the bright work on this car is beautiful. All your trim around your windows is in excellent shape. Glass is nice. Tail lights, license plate light, right turn signal. Your interior dome lights work. Just an all-around gorgeous car. I really I don't see hardly any imperfections in the paint on this car at all. Right inside this little lip here, I mean, it's behind the bezel. You can see just a little tiny chip there, maybe a little tiny chip there. It's like somebody touched up one little spot up right here. Outside of that, this car is absolutely gorgeous. 65 Ford Mustang Fastback 2+2. Beautiful frame off, rotisserie restoration, I should say. Sounds great, looks great, sounds amazing going down the road. It's got a lot of power. You check out the bottom of this car. All the floor pans are all like new on this thing, all new exhaust. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Kind of give you an idea of what she looks like underneath. The torque boxes and all. The whole underneath this car is super, super nice and very, very solid. And you can see down the sides of the car how nice, straight, and solid it is. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, KINIONauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day.